Hi, this is Steve DiPaolo. I'm a researcher and professor at Simon Fraser University in Vancouver, Canada. And along with my PhDs in my lab, we're building a tool called AI4all. This is a very early prototype to show you what we're attempting. So this is a tool that would allow anyone, students, educators, nonprofits, cultural institutions, to be able to get free, unlimited, totally private, where the system does not incur a monthly fee or go to a large corporation or foreign country tool, because it actually is open source AI that's local on your computer, on your laptop, on your desktop, where you don't even need the internet. So we're starting with a lot of tools that you would want and very high-end open source models. Many of these newer models are much more energy efficient than other ones, and it's working not on some big data center, but in fact right on your laptop or desktop. So so we have like a model management system to be able to add new ones and keep up with things, and then we have tools like our like a standard large language model chat system like ChatGPT. So in this case, I could grab the most what tool makes sense for me and the size of my computer, so it can fit. In this case, I will ask it a question: what rock star from a famous rock band also had a PhD in astrophysics? I spelled astrophysics wrong. Doesn't matter. It's quite smart. Gwen is the newest type of reasoning model. So it thinks first and then answers. It was going through, is it Led Zeppelin? Is it this? But it surely came up in the end that it's Brian May, which is exactly the correct answer. And about it, because this is full memory, our system, so I can constantly talk to it, have it write me a report. But I'll just say, what was the PhD in? Why was it important? Spelled wrong. And sure enough, it knows exactly what I'm talking about. So it's first thinking to get me the best report possible. It's telling me everything about why this contribution was important to the world. So you could do this in many, many different kind of models that make sense for what you're trying to do. But it's also able to think on your own documents. So if I brought in one of my own documents, I'll bring up this human rights charter and type, what is Article 21 about for human rights? So this way, a student could be taking their past work, somebody wanting to write a grant could bring in their documents. A cultural institution could be looking at all their data on the environment for the year and deciding what to do about it. So you can see how it's saying everything about the article, this human rights article. So you could put in any PDF or text and build up work that way. So while that's sophisticated, we're moving now into multimodal land, which is way more than just text. So that would be sound and talking and images. So in that case, I'll grab a different model and I'll bring in an image and I'll have it kind of try and look through that image, describe this image. This could be a chart with data on it, but so multimodal goes well beyond just text now into sound, movies, text. So it surely knows that this is a woman holding a white bag, everything about her, but it also has recognized that the background is Niagara Falls, and even that it's on the Canadian side of Niagara Falls. So you can see how sophisticated it could be. We could put in any kind of image in that way. So with this image, what animal? And then, is it a painting or a photo? And it's able to very sophisticatedly look through that, come up with exactly that it's an African antelope, and that it appears to be a painting. I could ask it what kind of painting and go on and on. So you can see this is now the beginning of our AI4all tool set. It will be easy to install. It will have tutorials with it. We'll build it up. We'll make it extensible. And because climate change and energy with AI is very important to us, we'll have tools to make it as environmentally friendly, including a dashboard to show you how much energy you're using. And we hope that this democratizes AI. So never again are you beholden to a large corporation or a foreign country, that anyone could do anything sophisticated that they would need in AI for free and in unlimited ways. This is the work from our lab, the ivizlab.sfu.ca. Thank you for your time.